Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing fine. Today I'm going to show you my inspired makeup look for Thanksgiving. So I'm beginning with my primer, which is the Etude House Face Glow Primer. After my primer, I use my Clinique foundation even better and I apply it all over my face. After foundation, I use my concealer, which is the Etude House concealer. I wasn't fully happy with it at first, but now I am. I think the shade is great because it brightens up my face. After that, I used a creamy, I guess it's a concealer from Maybelline, but I use it as a bronzer because it's way too dark for my skin. After that, I'm setting up my makeup and my foundation with a loose powder from Alveri. And after having a fun time with NOONAEX, I just put some highlighter on my cheekbones and on my nose. And then I use a brown color eyeshadow to do my brows. I love doing my brows because for me it's the most important thing in my look. I cannot go out without my eyebrows made. After that, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Heat in the color Fuego, and I apply it all over my eyelid. As it is a dark eyeshadow, make sure you blend in well. Then I'm using the same palette, but I'm just changing the color. I'm using the color Heat Devil and I apply it to underline the eye and to intensify the eyelid. As an eyeliner, I'm using my Down to Earth palette, which is from the Body Shop, and I'm using the dark brown to eyeline my eyes. I think using an eyeshadow is much easier for me than using a liquid eyeliner because Every time I use a liquid eyeliner, I'm doing such a mess. Then I'm using my highlighter palette to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using the Guerlain Cils d'Enfer Soft Volume Mascara, and I apply 2 layers of it. After having hydrated my lips, I can apply lipstick, which is the one from Kiko. I don't really remember the color, but it's a dark Bordeaux color. I'm trying to do a bit of a gradient lip, which means that I'm blending out the color. And there is the finished look. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys.
끝에